This DRoc the Barber, your barber favorite barber, here with Mr.
DRoc, number 27. I play cornerback and I go to the University of Oklahoma.
All right, so how your experience been in Norman?
It's been good, it's been great.
What's the biggest jump from this year from last year?
I say the defense pretty much got a lot better from last year.
Do you think y'all are dogs now or what?
Yes.
Then why you not playing? I guess you a pit bull. I'm not a pit bull. You like a chihuahua or something, huh?
What?
Like a chihuahua, huh?
I'm hurt right now, so
That's nigga's favorite excuse.
I got injured. So
What's your injury?
I had to get surgery on my knee.
Do you be at practice?
Yes.
I heard you one of the fastest on the team. Is that right?
Yes.
But I also heard your homeboy from your hometown, Gentry Williams, is the fastest.
No. No.
Right now, you think you'll beat Gentry?
Yes.
Let's be real. All right, I'm gonna cut the camera, bro. What's your 40, bro?
I didn't run the 40 yet.
What do you think you can run in a 40?
4.3.
4.3?
Yes.
So what did you run the track?
10.3.
So that means you the top 5 fastest in Oklahoma history.
Yes, pretty much.
In high school, and I'm talking about in high school history because I know people that ran track that ran 10.3.0s, 10.3.4s for real that was in state. And you ran the 10.3. What place did you come in state?
First. I won everything.
Pull some highlights up. Pull some highlights up. I want to see your highlight, bro. I don't think you cut like that. Let's see. So you really like that? That's what I'm hearing. Let me see some of your high school football highlights. What position you played in football?
Running back and corner. A lot of positions, really.
Hey, you played running back, bro, in high school.
Yes.
At what school?
Union High School.
At a powerhouse division, I will say 6A single, one of the best schools ever in football, am I right? So you saying you play running back? 6'3"?
6'3". 220.
6'3", 220 on some Derrick Henry shit.
This is DRoc, and we are here with your barber's favorite barber.